good. So
Hello. So today we're gonna be making slime. Perfect, nice baking soda and an activator and some, if you want, shaving cream or puffy slime.
So the first thing we're gonna put is, what did we just put in?
We put glue.
Mhm.
Glue is always the first thing, because then the slime, what would happen to the slime then? It would not be sticky.
Yep.
Then it wouldn't be able to stick on.
So, and then the second step would be the baking soda.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then, so let's just put the baking soda in
Okay.
first and demonstrate. And can I have a popsicle stick, please? Give me a popsicle stick, because you should use a popsicle stick to make sure you have the right amount of baking soda. Because baking soda is important in slime. So imagine slime without baking soda. It would look right, but it would not be right.
It won't activate, right?
Yeah, because then the activator would be for nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Just wait, I'm just going to put a little bit more in. Okay.
Okay. Do you want to
Done.
mix it?
The next step is if you want color,
Mix.
which we're probably going to
first,
put in.
second you gotta mix.
Mhm.
Yeah, first mix.
it up. Mix it up.
Mix it up.
Can I choose which color?
Yeah, any color. We can put any
Keep
color.
the popsicle stick in there.
I'm gonna choose I'm gonna choose
Any color.
I'm gonna choose a classic green.
Yeah, you don't have to put classic green in there if you don't want to. Anyone who does it gets to make their own color. And make sure you have food coloring before you make slime. Because if you want to have color, then you gotta do it. So,
Do you want to hold my phone and I'll open it? Oh.
okay, don't worry. Oh, so tough. Okay, that really did a lot of light green. Okay, mix it.
No. Can I do it? Mix it. Because
And remember to put the lid back on the food coloring.
Oh yeah. Where's the lid again? Okay, we're just gonna put this right where. Wait, I don't know where to put it. But
don't worry, your hands will get a bit messy.
yeah, because at the end you have to play with it. So that's what you meant to. Slime is meant to have you able to play with it.
Okay, and so now if you want to add shaving cream to make it fluffy.
The way to go is you do this.
Okay, so you got to open the lid first. Lift this part off.
Yep, that's just with our ball or shaving cream. You don't have to do that.
That's good.
No shaving cream.
Or else it's going to be really hard to activate.
Okay. Then mix.
Now mix it in. But if you don't want it to be puffy, then you don't add in the shaving cream if you don't want it to be puffy. We just add shaving cream because this is just demonstrating how you do it.
Because I just really, really want puffy slime. And every other slime is really sticky.
Yeah, because even though this slime will be a little sticky, it will still stick to your hands.
Okay, so
It'll be
now,
very much more puffy and.
so now we add the activator.
I'll do the activating part. Okay. Oh, this is hard. No, you just do.
I
Okay.
added it on my hand, on my cheeks because
Okay, now mix it.
I think she's going to need a little bit more. So.
yeah.
No, but now squirt.
Mm-hmm.
Just got it. Now
Yeah, please
squirt.
See, it's getting kind of into slime.
Mm-hmm. I
Mix
can
it.
see it getting harder and harder to mix. That's when you know it's going to be a good slime.
Ready? One more active.
Oh my god, you squirted on me.
Don't worry, because it's gonna be easier to play with it then. And plus, activator smells good.
Wait,
well,
it
not-
does?
Well, it does smell good if you smell it, but
Does it?
no, it doesn't really smell anything. So just don't worry if you get slime like all over your cheeks or on or activator on your hands or stuff like that.
But
Guys, go
worry
wash it.
if it's in your hair.
Yes.
Worry if it's in your hair because it's gonna be impossible to clean off. But don't worry if it's in your hands because that's where it's supposed to be. And should I squirt more activator now?
Yes.
More
Yeah.
activator. And sometimes, like where I'm at,
Some slime smells good or bad. Just depends on the slime. But if you want, just smell just to make sure if
please
it.
add more activator.
Okay. More activator.
Lift it up a little so it gets some air in it. Yeah.
Yes. And blowing bubbles will also help it not become sticky. And you're wondering why it's all over Avery's hands.
Can you add more
She needs
activator?
more activator soap.
Okay. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm just pouring a lot of activator in there. It's going to be really hard to mix now, but it'll be easier to get off. Oof, it's going to be much easier to make into slime. So, more activator the better, but make sure you don't over-activated it, because or else you'll make a big
Sophie?
mistake and you won't be able to play with it.
Can you also give her a little bit more baking soda, please?
Yes.
No more baking soda?
Yeah.
Like a handful.
But not too much at once or else it'll get very hard.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe more than that.
That looks pretty funny.
Oh my
I
god.
have to laugh
It's
myself
like
here.
drooping on the side on Zoomy.
I know, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah, because slime is easy to clean off. Woof, woof, woof. Oh, yeah, that one, I don't want it.
Okay, Sophie, do you want to hold my camera and I'll help Avery with it?
Yep. And by the way, we forgot to introduce ourselves.
No, well, no, we introduced ourselves in the last video.
Yeah, but we should introduce ourselves in this video.
Okay, let's
So, just in case you don't know us, our teacher here is Laura, and there's...
see. How's yours?
Wait, uh-oh, I got the face in the webs.
You should be keeping up with our videos, right?
Yeah, a lot of good stuff. But oof, 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 oof. Okay, that was a little bit of a camera off for you. Sorry about that. If you got a little, so I think we might have got a little slime on the camera, but nope, okay, nothing wrong now. Okay. Now they're just playing with the slime now. Avery and Laura are just playing with the slime now. So
Activating it.
and also activating it because I squirted a bunch of activator on it. Oof, and it's definitely mean a lot.
It's everywhere.
I know, slime just gets everywhere if you have it.
Feels
Getting
like I
better,
have
though.
gloves on.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. It feels like gloves because it's like always sticking to you.
Such a pearlescent green.
I know, that's right.
So can you squirt some,
And these are our colors, by the way. And if you want to know which green we used
you
this.
wanna open your pump?
It's called moss green. But our last one didn't turn out that great. But since we practiced, now it's as better as you can get it.
This one is good.
It's working.
Yeah.
It's finally working
It's working as much as you can get it.
to work.
You notice that it's coming to the sign that it's gonna be almost finished. There might be a few more minutes, like 5 or a few more minutes. But our next video is gonna be on a heart container. Not like in a video game, but like a heart that is like
Do you need
a
more
jar.
activator or are you
It's a
good?
heart jar. This
Maybe,
is
yeah, I think I need
basically
a tiny
slime.
bit more
There's a little bit of slime in, but doesn't matter. Guys, if you still have some slime in. And by the way, how we get slime off is you just get a little piece of slime, like, say I get a little piece of slime and I have stuff on me. You just go like, look, and you go like that, and it's off. Look, it's off, almost completely off. Then you can just like get it off with your finger. See? So that's not a waste of slime then. So that's obviously one thing you can use to make slime.
Can I keep this slime?
Yeah.
Well, don't worry about it.
Maybe you can ask Eva for a Ziploc bag so you can keep it. And make sure it's not too sticky.
Yeah.
Just wondering. Okay.
This is what a normal
Okay, the slime actually smells good to me, so... Oh, the activator squirted in again because it's a little too sticky. I know,
Squirt some activator.
make sure you squirt activator in it.
Ooh, my hand is tired from this.
Don't worry, your hands will get tired anyway. Don't worry about that. Everyone will get tired hands if they make slime because you have to do a lot of stuff.
Da-da-da-da. Does this look satisfying?
Does, if you say. And it looked satisfying to you guys? Just whatever.
Comment down below.
Leave a comment down below, but not yet. We're still waiting on the slime to be finished. Completely finished, so the video will be ended as soon as the slime is finished. Oof. I got some slime on me. I'm just...
I love how you wipe it on me.
Okay, I'll get it off. It's just because I don't want to have to touch this.
You realize you're still filming, right?
Oh. Sorry about that.
So now everyone's gonna know that you
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Anyone, that's just the house, but
They don't know our faces. So.
No.
They know your face. So. Don't tell them what we look like.
No, I won't.
yeah.
Because we have privacy reasons.
We have some privacy reasons because we don't want it to go.
I think mine's doing really well.
See that bubble?
Look at. See, the slime is starting to form. That's what will always happen if you do slime well. And we're still working on that one. Then you can use the slime, get it off to how Avery's doing it. Just copy her.
Oh, I almost.
Oh, sorry about that. You got my shirt a little bit, but anyway, just don't care about that.
Clean the bucket.
You see, the bucket can be cleaned and also slime because it's still sticky, but doesn't matter because it'll be like all done.
Nope.
Okay, that was a little surprising to me. Okay, that was a little.
Don't get her face, remember.
Oh. Yeah, just make sure you don't stretch in your face. Just keep it down here. So I'm going to see that slime. Ooh, the slime is turning out well. It's because we played with it. What?
This was a workout.
Yeah, it's a workout.
Yeah.
It's a workout as well, so don't worry.
Well, not really for me.
Here, do you want the big piece now?
Yes,
It's ready.
Okay. Now smush the pieces together if you were putting them apart. I think that it's ready. Just put a little activator if it's a little sticky. And then smush it in. And the air will be more in. Oh, when you hear that bubble, that means the air is going in.
And if it's not activated enough,
Well, I definitely know it's activated enough. Oof. Just make sure you don't move out of the camera.
I won't.
Okay.
Pretty satisfying, don't you think?
I love hearing that bubble popping sound.
I know, sometimes we can like that, but just don't worry about it. Just skip the slime in the video. It's a little satisfying watching. Okay,
Here, do you want to get this little bit?
okay, just this. So take every little bit you can if you don't want to miss any slime, but if you want, but and as you can see, our video is coming to an end because the slime is getting perfect.
Yes. So thank you for watching. Comment down you liked and subscribed if you want to. And
bye.
stay safe.
Stay safe and make sure you don't get any of it on your face because that could be a little dangerous.
So big.
And now stop the video.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
How-
Please subscribe.